11/19/24. So all flames are working. I think blue is better than that red orange, that orange color. Yeah, lights. And we just have to deal with the insert here. And it lights up. That's good. That's good. Ooh, there's an issue here. It took so long. Maybe this is because this one gets all the action. I think the story goes that like if there's any of the little holes have like a little bit of dirt in it, you take the toothpick and you go through all these holes, and it starts up better. Something like that.
No, there's a spark plug that you're right. It's probably used more. Front right is always favored. Your house is probably the same. If you're right-handed, it's going to be the front right.
Got it.